we're running back the early 2000s with neons. Yes. So, let's bring you in a little bit. You probably can't see very well there. And for anyone that hasn't guessed it, yes, I do have the world's smallest shed. And my phone's ringing. So these are officially top of the range ones from eBay for 15 quid. So you ain't going to find better than that. Car LED neon underglow lights. There you go, with automobile chassis atmosphere. Just 3 random words, well, half a word and then 2 random words. Can only be good. So what do you get anyway? You get some installation steps, and this is quite good. Rather than drilling a hole, because that's something extra you'd have to buy, it says here you can, step 3 and 4, heat the screwdriver and use it to get holes for band. Don't know if that's for like musical bands or get your mates around with drum kit and all that. And because it's step 3 and 4, they've just repeated themselves on 3 and 4 here. Yeah, clean the dust, jack up the car, heat up your screwdriver, get your musical mates round, and then tie up your mates through the hole and tie it up. And then tie up the strip, I'm assuming the LED strip, connect the red and the black, just straight on your battery like that. Bosh, they're on permanently. Test result, complete the installation. How hard can it be? Oh no, there's more. There is more. Installation location. So tip your car on your side, stick them on, connect the wire to the cigarette lighter, but you haven't got a cigarette lighter end. Not sure. Anyway, we can give it a go though, can't we? It'll be a laugh. What I've done is, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I can't stretch it any more than that, but I've got a little 12 volt thing here, so I've just plugged them in just to see if they actually work. I don't want to go and install them and get my mates around with their guitars and stuff for the band. Not sure why they're coming yet, but once it's all in, I don't want to be stuck with something that doesn't work. So we've got 12 volts. I'm guessing that's the receiver. Oh, it's on. Blue, white, green, red, what else? Orange, yellow, cyan and purple. Oh, that's nice. What else? We've got fade 3, jump, musical, I don't know. Just some mad stuff. I think you can also, yeah, you can dim them. Anyway, oh, don't know what happened there. Should we go and fit them? It'd be a laugh, wouldn't it? Let's do it. So they don't actually unplug, the neon strips don't actually unplug from the controller. That's going to be annoying because I have to drill a hole that's going to be big enough to fit one of these through rather than just the little cable. Never mind. Right, here's the plan. Seat forward. I've just pulled this little thing here back. Just tuck that there somehow, and then it's a lot harder one-handed. I've got a little torch and there's a hole just there. Let me see that. Let's turn the torch on. 1, 2, and then that is going to magnet to there and hopefully shine the light through there. So if I can see the light the other side somehow, then I know that hole goes through to the boot. So, ow, let's have a look. Can we see? Oh, I don't even even need the light on there, I can see daylight through there anyway. Perfect. Right, I'm going to run my cable through there then, and then around here and into the battery as the instructions, which can only be right as they say. Let's try that then. Bingo. Right, I've taken out a little grommet here, which I've found. I'm hoping that if I can get one through, I can feed them all through one after another. Let's have a look underneath, see how it goes. Right, that's good, it's going the right way. And by that I mean it's going under the car. Where's that one gone? That's 2 through. Let's try and get these 2 through as well. Three down, 1 to go. Come on, straight down. Oh, it's gone under the subframe. Come on, there you go, good boy. Now I need to get this through to the cab. I say cab, like it's a truck or something. Right, so now I just need to get, God, this is some awesome camera work. Basically now I just need to get the little control box in here somehow from the boot. Or I suppose I could just put the little infrared thing in here, because I only need the remote part. I'll have a go, see what happens. Right, I've just fed this bit of banding strap stuff up through the hole because I can't reach it. It's like right down there, so I'm just going to tape on the IR thing and see if it pulls through. Hopefully it should. Let's have a go. You'll be able to see better than me. It's going somewhere. Slacker. Cable tied. Well, I've started cable tying the cable across the brake lines, the metal brake lines, so should hold them in. Just going to keep going, following that path, dropping up. I don't know if you can see that. We'll just follow this path, cable tie them on. I've sort of like just looped it in there for a minute to hold it, just to protect it with that. And then keep going until I get to the front, basically. Yeah, that's about it really. Also, I don't know if you can see this, but I've stuck this one on. Just using that 3M tape stuff that was on the back. Don't know if it's going to stay on there or not, but I might go around and fix it a bit better afterwards, but at the moment it looks pretty good. Right, so all the wires are coming up through there. Just like slapped them on the battery for a minute just to see if it works. Where's the remote gone? There it is. Right, nothing's on now. Let's have a look. I'll put you there. Bear in mind this is broad daylight, a really sunny day, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. Oh, blue, white, purple. Let's put it on jump. What does that do? Oh, okay. Pretty funky. Let's try fade. What happened? Is it even on? Okay, don't know what that's doing. Green. Yeah, so there you go. What I'll do is I'll cut back in a second and I'll show you at night time. It should be a bit better because, like I say, it is broad daylight at the moment, so you can't really see anything. But yeah, let's have a look in the night. Right, it's night time and there's no denying it. It's badass. What do you reckon? 15 quid off eBay, combined with the £4 LED ring thing in the rear light. Oh, it's a peach. It's like Need for Speed Underground 2. I'm on the mobile, by the way, so the I don't know if the video is any good, but what do you reckon? I think it looks awesome. It's like the early 2000s. We're back. Where's my let me just find my little remote. There it is. Again, apologies for the light. I can't even see what I'm doing it. Oh, I could use that, can I? Right, what we got? White, blue. Let's try a different one. White, blue, green, red. Awesome. What do you reckon? I think it's hilarious. Looks angry. Oh, something's different there. Might have to have a look at that tomorrow. Don't know why that's got a shadow line. Don't know, figure that out. But yeah, 15 quid. Back in the day, that would have been big bucks with the old neon tubes under there. But yeah, anyway, on that note, thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And give us a like, and I'll see you all on the next channel. And the next video. Cheers, guys.